Hello, this is Barry from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Welcome back to this new video. Today, as you can probably tell from the title, we're going to take a look at the Nasdaq relatively quickly, and we're going to see what's happening and what could be happening using Elliott Wave theory as always. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, so any idea expressed in this video is my own and does not constitute financial or trading advice in any way. So, first of all, I gotta say, we're close to hit 2,000 subscribers, and as I said in my previous video on Bitcoin, which if you haven't already, I recommend take a look at, I will be given the possibility to one of you, one lucky winner, to have a private call with me for as much time as you guys want. And all you have to do is leave a like in this video and comment down below what you think about this Nasdaq account. So again, feel free to take advantage of that, and hopefully we'll reach 2,000 subscribers soon. So everything is pretty much going as predicted. We're all moving lower. We still track down the possibility of two different scenarios. So most likely we have a top in place here, which could be wave 3, and we're looking for wave 4. Now, all my scenarios predict a wave 4. The only scenario which I'm not going to take a look at today, but it's still worth mentioning, is that this is some kind of wave 1, we have a wave 2, and then we skyrocket. Is that possible? Well, we learned that everything is possible in the market, but I highly doubt it. As also, if you just pay attention to it, this correction is deeper. It just surpassed the cover lows crash. So that's a sign that most likely we are in a larger degree correction. That's what the Elliott Wave theory tells us. So again, we could be in a flat down in A, up in B, sharp wave B, and down for wave C. Now, as you can see, I'm dragging down the possibility of a wave C completed. However, there's one thing that I still struggle to kind of force into my count, which would be, if we just go into the hourly, it would be the subwaves of this wave 5. I see 3 waves. So unless we have a very tiny 2, something like this perhaps, which is, again, it's possible, but obviously wouldn't be the best looking one, I very much struggle to see this as a 5-wave move. Alternatively, we can have wave 4 yet in the making. So up for wave A, up for wave A, down for B, up for C, and then for the downside in wave 5. That's also a possibility. Otherwise, I could just be wrong, and we could be facing much more downside. How could that happen? Well, going back to the daily, as I said, we have different counts, so we also are tracking down the possibility of a zigzag into wave A of cycle 4. So 1, 2, and here we could just unfold into wave 3, which could obviously take us much lower in terms of price than the flat. Now, it is due to say that this box represents the golden box. So right here we have equality. Right here we have equality of these two moves, whether there are 3 or 1 or A or C. They're equal, and we did have a reaction from it, as we can see. Now, it's also nice to remember that this most likely will act as support. So my favorite scenario, my preferred scenario, is a flat where we could see a bit lower downside, react into wave B, potentially match the wave B on 1 degree, and then fall back down, which obviously this correction could take anywhere from a couple of years to 5 or even more. So long story short, those are my scenarios for the Nasdaq long term. On a bit shorter term, as I said, I am watching closely to the possibility of this wave 4 not be completed. And the only thing I don't like, the reason why I wouldn't call this wave 5 is the 3 waves down into wave 5, which obviously we know wave 5 will have always five subways. So pretty much that sums it up for me. As always, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a comment to win the possibility to have a private call with me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I'll see you in the next one.